Snow. Snow. Oh yeah. There's snow. Ooh, it snowed, it snowed, it snowed, it snowed, it snowed. Come on, fill it faster. Oh, yes. That's about 6 inches of snow. It's supposed to turn into feet overnight, so we gotta take care of it while it's still inches. Otherwise, you know, even the mighty Gravely might not be able to handle it.
All right, I'm ready to see this thing in action.
I am too. This is the most snow we've gotten before the Gravely obsession began. So let's give this thing a whirl. All right, some choke. Okay, let's try going downwind. Like shoveling. Camel, yeah, look at that. I gotta follow Brick, make sure he doesn't cut his leg off. Come on, this is scary almost like that. That would like cut you off real bad. Well, there we have it. That's our showing from the Gravely C10 with the dog eater, with the C10A gears. We're just gonna be getting back into place now, but that thing was a hammer. It was not as indestructible as I thought it was. You couldn't just send it into the snowbank and it would eat. I do think it needs a tune-up and a few little things here and there. It actually died once because like water dripped onto like this wire nut, which has all of the kill switch ground in it. So small little things, but overall this was a beast and I was absolutely stoked to the bone to get to use it. It's supposed to snow like somewhere in the feet tonight, so this video may continue. Yeah, we are back. Got more snow to blow this morning. Wasn't quite the 2 feet that they promised us, but you know, better to get on top of it early than late. So we're gonna wake up the old C10 again. Yeah?
This is the scariest thing ever.
Let's go for a ride. Well, that was a lot of fun. We got the driveway done, and you got to see the extra poor man's Sulky in action, just riding on that bugger.
Yeah.
But that was hilarious.
It is the poor man's three-wheel.
I know. I really want to get the stupid Sulky and be able to like drive my way over to the top. The idea of taking my snowblower to the grocery store is so funny. I don't think I can miss out on that.
You have to do it. We need to make something like that.
All right, but until next time, or more likely until the next 2 hours, goodbye, Gravely. Another fine buffalo day. City of good neighbors, huh? Neighbor's just using his plow truck to lend a hand. That's good. I got a mean old snowblower, should be able to take care of the rest.
Okay.
Thank you though. Yeah, just all the plow slush to back everything out.
All right.
That'll go a long way. Thank you. We got about 2 feet, a little more than 2 feet. 2 1/4, 2 1/3. It's a lot. It's actually beautiful with the sun coming up. definitely sure you were talking about how impressed you were. Mwah. Well, that was awesome. As you saw there, the Gravely pretty handily took care of almost 2.5 feet of powder, which is mint. That's exactly what I expected out of this thing. It did take a little bit of a learning curve. I learned that with this dog eater, if you're in low gear, you're really just digging. It really doesn't throw the snow all that far. It'll get it on the other side of the sidewalk. But first passed in low, and then everything else on high for throwing distance. And that was the ticket. This thing is awesome. We cleared the snow in record time, and now I can get out of this awful cold. Well, I hope you enjoyed, and I hope this was informative. Thanks for watching. Shoots.